Good morning, K3. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm so happy to be here with you. It's a brand new week. Guess what day it is today? Today is Monday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. February, we celebrate Valentine's Day. Yay! Help me read the date. Today is Monday, February 14th, 22. Be careful, because it's easy to write the wrong year. 2021 was last year, and now we're in 2022. And this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonant and the vowel. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. What is the short sound? We mark it with a happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. That's right. Okay, so here we go. Let's review the short vowel sounds. Can you read them with me? A, apple. Elephant. What does the elephant say? Inchworm. Ostrich. Umbrella. That's right. And then we have the long sounds that we mark with the line. And the long sound is the same as its name. Okay, let's review them. Are you ready? A, acorn. E, eagle. I, ice cream. O, open. U, uniform. Super duper duper. Now, stop, look, listen. Little book 10. That's right. So, look, there's a rooster and a hen and the baby chicks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All righty, let's turn the page. Let's review the sounds. There's mother hen. Block, 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 block. Here we go. I, D, J, Y, A, V, A, T, E, A. Mother hen says, well done. The name of this letter is W. It makes a sound W, as in wagon. W says W, W, W. Wet. Well. Wet. Wet. Well. Well. Wag. Wag. Look. Isn't that sweet? The little chick's holding out the umbrella so the other chick doesn't get wet. Aww. The name of this letter is Z. It makes it sound Z, as in zebra. Z says Z, Z, Z. Z. Zig. Let's turn the page. Zip. Zip. zig, zig, zag, zag. Look, there's Bob, and he's zipping up his jacket. Let's read the sentence. Bob will zip it up. Super reading. Okay, one more time. Bob will zip it up. Go, Bob, go. Oh, righty, that was great reading. Now, it says up here, letters. Where's our S? We got to make sure we have an S in there. Letters, because there's more than one letter. There's letters. Letters and sounds pages. And today, guess what? It's only going to be one page. 75. Page 75. Are you ready? Let's get our letters and sounds. And today we have an evaluation. Yippee! Let's write our name at the top of the page, nice and neatly. And one says, circle the letter that completes each word. You know how to do it. Okay, then number 2 says, write the blends your teacher says. Are you ready? Listen carefully. What is a blend? A blend is when we put a consonant and a vowel together. So there's 2 letters. Listen to the sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. Sa, sa, sa. Super. Next one. Se, se, se. Super. Next one. Si, si, si. Super duper. And number 3 says, draw a line to the picture name. Okay, let's say the word hand. Hand. Pan. Pan. Hat. Hat. You got it. You are amazing. And that is our class for today. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.